In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on Dolby Atmos in your Samsung device. Dolby Atmos is a powerful audio technology that can enhance your listening experience by providing immersive, high-quality sound. It's great for watching movies or listening to music. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Sound Quality and Effects. Now you'll see the Dolby Atmos feature. Just tap on it. To enable Dolby Atmos on your Samsung device, simply toggle this on. As you can see, right now it's set to auto, which means it will optimize sound automatically for whatever you're listening to. You can also select other presets like movie, music, and voice. Also, if you go back, you can enable Dolby Atmos for gaming by toggling on this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.